Respected teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Chet and I am Shining Star of 5th June class in Captain Zile Singh Academy. Today I am tell about 4 limbs. The 4 limbs comprise upper arm and lower arm. First is upper arm. It has 1 bone. The name of bone is humerus and second is lower arm. It has 2 bones. First is ulna and second is radius. Our lower arm attached with hand. Our hand have small number of bones. Our 4 limb attached with backbone with the help of shoulder. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today my topic is hind limbs. Lower limbs are connected on the body through hip ladder. And my second is the upper leg has a single bone called fibula and it is the largest bone in our body and bears our weight. The lower legs have 2 bones called tibia and fibula. It is the largest and the foot has a number of small bones. Thank you.
Today my topic is backbone. Backbone is the main part in our body. It is located in the mid-dorsal neck and trunk. Backbone is called vertebral column. The backbone is the main part in our body.
Today I tell about joints. Joints are the places where 2 bones meet. Bones are jointed together through touch tissues called ligaments. Ligaments also protects the bones and checking the movement of bones. All the immovable or movable joints, all the movable joints except the skull. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mukul. Today I explain rib cage. Rib cage comprises 12 pairs of ribs. The protect heart and lungs and the upper part of our backbone connected of ribs.